When the economy crashes, the dollar smiles. When it booms, the dollar smiles again. That's the dollar smile theory, and understanding it could change how you see global markets. Stick with me, and I'll show you exactly how to spot the next opportunity. Hit subscribe now, because you don't want to miss the next setup. The global financial system revolves around one dominant currency, the United States dollar. Whether you're trading Forex, analyzing macroeconomic trends, or simply trying to understand why currencies rise and fall, the dollar sits at the center of the conversation. One of the most insightful frameworks for understanding how the dollar behaves across different economic environments is known as the dollar smile theory. Developed by Stephen Jan, a former Morgan Stanley currency strategist, the dollar smile theory offers a simple yet powerful way to interpret the movements of the US dollar. Instead of viewing the dollar as moving in a linear fashion based purely on interest rates or economic growth, the theory suggests that the dollar strengthens under two very different conditions, and weakens in between. When plotted on a graph, this behavior resembles a smile, hence the name. Let's explore this concept in depth, breaking down its structure, implications, and how traders and investors can use it to make smarter decisions. What is the dollar smile theory? At its core, the dollar smile theory proposes that the US dollar tends to strengthen in two distinct scenarios. When the US economy is performing exceptionally well. When the global economy is under stress or in crisis. However, during periods where global growth is stable and other economies are performing well, especially relative to the US, the dollar tends to weaken. This creates a three-phase pattern that resembles a smile. Left side of the smile, dollar strength due to global risk aversion. Bottom of the smile, dollar weakness during synchronized global growth. Right side of the smile, dollar strength due to strong U.S. economic performance. This framework helps explain why the dollar can rise both in times of optimism and fear, something that confuses many new traders. Phase 1, dollar strength in times of global crisis, left side of the smile. In times of global uncertainty, the dollar becomes a safe haven asset. When markets panic, due to financial crises, geopolitical tensions, or economic shocks, investors around the world rush into the dollar. Why does this happen? The answer lies in trust, liquidity, and stability. The US dollar is the world's reserve currency. It is used in international trade, held by central banks, and backed by the largest and most liquid financial markets in the world. When fear spreads, investors prioritize preserving capital over seeking returns. This leads them to assets that are perceived as safe, U.S. Treasury bonds, and, by extension, the dollar. Examples of this phase include the 2008 global financial crisis, the COVID-19 market crash in 2020, periods of geopolitical instability, wars, trade conflicts. During these times, even if the crisis originates in the United States, the dollar can still rise because global investors need dollars to service debts, settle trades, and access liquidity. This phase is driven by risk aversion, often referred to as risk-off sentiment in financial markets. Phase 2, dollar weakness during global growth, bottom of the smile. When the global economy is stable and growing, investors become more willing to take risks. This is known as a risk-on environment. In such conditions, capital flows away from safe haven assets like the dollar and into higher-yielding or emerging market currencies. Investors search for better returns in countries with faster growth, higher interest rates, or undervalued assets. This leads to a weaker US dollar. Why does the dollar lose strength here? Because during global expansion, other economies begin to outperform the U.S. Interest rate differentials may favor other currencies. Investors diversify away from the dollar. Demand for riskier assets increases. Currencies like the Australian dollar, AUD, New Zealand dollar, NZD, and emerging market currencies tend to perform well in this phase. This is the bottom of the smile, the point where the dollar is at its weakest relative to other currencies. Phase 3, dollar strength from U.S. economic outperformance, right side of the smile. The third phase occurs when the U.S. economy is significantly stronger than the rest of the world. In this case, the dollar strengthens not because of fear, but because of confidence in U.S. economic performance. Key drivers in this phase include strong GDP growth in the U.S., rising interest rates from the Federal Reserve, higher returns on U.S. investments, capital inflows into U.S. equities and bonds. When the Federal Reserve raises interest rates, for example, it makes U.S. assets more attractive to global investors. This increases demand for the dollar, pushing its value higher. Unlike Phase 1, this is not driven by panic, it's driven by relative strength and opportunity. Visualizing the dollar smile. Imagine a graph where the horizontal axis represents the state of the global economy, from weak to strong. The vertical axis represents the strength of the U.S. dollar. As you move from left to right, the dollar starts strong, global crisis. Weakens in the middle, global growth. Strengthens again, U.S. outperformance. The curve forms a U shape, a smile. This visualization simplifies a complex system and gives traders a mental model to anticipate dollar movements. Why the dollar smile theory matters. Understanding the dollar smile theory provides several advantages. 1. It explains contradictory movements. Many traders get confused when the dollar rises during both good and bad times. This theory resolves that confusion by showing that different forces drive the same outcome. 2. It helps predict currency trends. By identifying which phase the global economy is in, traders can anticipate whether the dollar is likely to strengthen or weaken. 3. It improves risk management. Knowing when the market is in a risk-on or risk-off environment helps traders adjust their strategies, position sizes, and exposure. Applying the dollar smile theory in Forex trading. For Forex traders, this theory is not just academic, it's practical. In Phase 1, risk off by USD against risk-sensitive currencies, AUD, NZD, emerging markets. Expect volatility and sharp movements. Focus on capital preservation. In Phase 2, risk on sell USD against high-yielding currencies. Look for carry trades. Ride trends in commodities and emerging markets. In Phase 3, U.S. strength by USD against weaker developed currencies, Euro, JPY. Watch Federal Reserve policy closely. Focus on interest rate differentials. Limitations of the theory. While the dollar smile theory is powerful, it is not perfect. 1. Oversimplification. The global economy is complex, and many factors influence currency movements, including politics, trade balances, and central bank interventions. 2. Timing challenges. Identifying exactly when the market shifts from one phase to another is difficult. Markets often move ahead of economic data. 3. Exceptions exist. There are times when the dollar does not behave according to the theory due to unique circumstances or policy changes. Real-world examples. To truly understand the theory, it helps to see it in action. 2008 financial crisis, Phase 1. Despite originating in the U.S., the crisis caused a global flight to safety, strengthening the dollar. 2017 global growth boom, Phase 2. Synchronized global expansion led to a weaker dollar as investors moved into international markets. 2022 Federal Reserve tightening, Phase 3. Aggressive interest rate hikes by the Fed boosted the dollar as U.S. assets became more attractive. The role of the Federal Reserve. The Federal Reserve plays a central role in shaping the right side of the smile. Monetary policy decisions, especially interest rate changes, directly impact the attractiveness of the dollar. When the Fed tightens policy, the dollar often strengthens. When it loosens policy, the dollar may weaken. However, the Fed's influence extends beyond the U.S. Because the dollar is the global reserve currency, its movements affect liquidity worldwide. Dollar smile and emerging markets. Emerging markets are particularly sensitive to the dollar smile. In Phase 1, capital flows out of emerging markets into the dollar. In Phase 2, capital flows into emerging markets. In Phase 3, strong dollar conditions can pressure emerging market economies, especially those with dollar-denominated debt. Understanding this relationship can help traders identify opportunities and risks in these markets. Psychological insights behind the theory. At a deeper level, the dollar smile reflects human psychology. Fear drives investors toward safety, phase 1. Greed drives investors toward higher returns, phase 2. Confidence drives investors toward strong economies, phase 3. Recognizing these emotional drivers can improve decision-making and reduce impulsive trading. Combining the theory with other analysis. The dollar smile theory works best when combined with technical analysis for entry and exit points, fundamental analysis for understanding economic conditions, sentiment analysis for gauging market mood. It provides a macro framework, but execution requires additional tools. The dollar smile theory is one of the most elegant ways to understand the behavior of the US dollar in a constantly shifting global landscape. By recognizing that the dollar strengthens both in times of crisis and strength, but weakens in between, you gain a powerful lens through which to view the Forex market. For traders, investors, and anyone interested in global finance, this theory offers clarity in a world that often feels unpredictable. It reminds us that markets are not random, they are shaped by cycles of fear, growth, and opportunity. Mastering the dollar smile doesn't mean you'll predict every move, but it does mean you'll stop guessing and start understanding the forces that truly drive the world's most important currency. So here's your takeaway: fear and strength aren't opposites in the dollar's world, they're two sides of the same smile. If this clicked for you, do 3 things right now. Smash that like button, it tells YouTube to share this with more traders. Subscribe and turn on the bell, I release deep dives like this every week. Comment smile if you're watching the dollar closely right now. And one more thing, which currency or asset are you watching for the next dollar move? Let me know below. I'll see you in the next one.